Hello students, today I will tell you how to solve any quadratic inequality. So any quadratic inequality, I'll take an example, it will look like something like this. I'll take just less than or equal to 0. Now whenever we have to solve any quadratic inequality, the first step is you have to factorize this quadratic expression. So I'll just factorize. So factors are going to be x minus 4 and x minus 1. Now after factorizing, what we do is we plot these points on number line. So we are just going to plot these points on number line. If you observe, this is a quadratic function, and for a quadratic function its curve will be always like a parabola. Either this parabola will open upward or parabola will open downward. Now over here, if you just see, coefficient of x square is plus. Now if coefficient of x square is plus, parabola will open upward, and if coefficient of x square is negative, parabola will open downward. Now over here, my parabola will open upward, and these points x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 4 will be its intercept, x-intercept. So parabola will go something like this. Now if you just see this parabola over here this parabola is below x-axis, so here parabola is negative, and over here parabola is above x-axis, so here it's positive, and here also it's positive. Now to solve this, what we do, we see this sign, that this expression is less than equal to 0. Now less than 0 means negative. So I have to see in which region the quadratic equation or quadratic function is below x-axis, that is between 1 and 4. So my answer is going to be x belongs to 1 to 4. If there is equal to sign over here, I'm going to use a big bracket. If there is no equal to sign, I'm going to use small bracket. So I'll just take one more example to make you understand. So I'll take another function, say x square minus 3x plus 2 is greater than 0. So I'll factorize number 1. So x minus 1, x minus 2 is greater than 0. Now plot a number line. So I'll put a number line. 1 will come here, 2 will come over here. Check coefficient of x square, which is positive. So parabola is going to open upward, parabola will open upward, something like this. Now it's below x-axis between 1 and 2, minus, and more than 2 it will be positive. Here also it's going to be positive. Now if you say this expression is greater than 0, means it should be positive. So you just see in which region it is positive, when x is greater than 2 and when x is less than 1. So my answer region will be x belongs to minus infinity to 2. Now just see, there is no equal to sign here, so I'll just put a small bracket. Infinity always takes a small bracket, and x is less than 1, so a small bracket, and okay, there's an error over here, minus infinity to 1, it will be minus infinity to minus infinity to 1 will come, because over here this side is minus infinity and this side is plus infinity. So this region I want, so minus infinity to 1, and this region I have to take, so this is 2 to infinity. Over here this is 2 to infinity, so I'll just write 2 to infinity. So this is how we solve quadratic inequality. I'll just show you in I'll just put this equation over here, the same one which we took earlier. I have taken fx, so I just taken y is I think it was less than equal to 0. Y is less than equal to x square minus 5x plus 4. So you can just see, as we solved in the first question, 1 and 4 will be the x-intercept. So the solution region is not between 1 and 4, but the solution region will be from 1 and minus infinity and 4 to infinity. And if the sign is reversed, then your solution region will be somewhere here in between. Okay, now I'll just try and plot this question which you solved just now. X square minus 3x plus 2 is greater than 0. So I'll just put y is smaller than x square minus 3x plus 2, and I'll just put int. So I just want y is less than x square minus 3x plus 2. So my solution region is minus infinity to 1 and then 2 to infinite. That is going to be my answer region. This is how we solve the quadratic inequality.